Good morning, student. Welcome to math session. Now children, we finish with our chapter 12 multiplication part 4. Today we will be starting chapter 12 multiplication part 5. In part 4 we did multiplication of vertical arrangement. Okay. Now here today we will be doing multiplication by carrying over. Okay. Topic for today will be multiplication by carrying over. Let us start with our first sum. Our question is multiply 18 into 4. What is our question? Multiply 18 into 4. The numbers are arranged according to tens and units. Let us multiply. Okay. So let us multiply, children. 8 fours are 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So for 32 we are going to write only 2 here and 3 we will carry over in tens place. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 1 with this 4. So 1 fours are 4. Now to that 4 I will add this 3. Okay. So if I add 3 to that 4, 1 fours are 4, then 5, 6 and 7. So I get my answer 7. So when I multiply 18 into 4, I get my answer 72. Next sum, multiply 15 into 5. What is the question? Multiply 15 into 5. Now here the numbers are arranged according to their place value, tens and unit place. Okay, let us multiply. Okay, first we are going to multiply 5 fives are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So for 25 I will write only 5 here and 2 I will carry in tens place. Okay. Now I will multiply 1 with the 5. So 1 fives will be 5. To that 5 I will add this 2. So 1 fives are 5, 6, 7. So I get my answer 75. When I multiply 15 into 5, I get my answer 75. Next, 24 multiplied by 3. Here the numbers are arranged according to their place value. Now let us multiply. Okay. First we are going to multiply 4 by 3. Okay. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So for 12 I will write 2 here and 1 I will carry over in tens place, that is about 2. Okay. Then I am going to multiply 2 with 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes will be 6. To that 6 I will add this 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. So when I multiply 24 into 3, I get my answer 72. Okay. When I multiply 24 multiplied by 3, I get my answer 72. Next, multiply 27 into 3. What is the question? Multiply 27 into 3. Let us multiply. First we are going to multiply 7 into 3. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Now for 21 I will write 1 here and 2 I will carry over in tens place. 2 threes are 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. To that 6 I will add this 2. So 6 plus 2 will be 7, 8. So what I will write the answer? 8. 2 threes are 6. To that 6 I will add the 2 which I have carried over in tens place. So to that 6 if I add that 2 it will become 8. So when I multiply 27 into 3 I get my answer 81. Next, multiply 15 into 6. The number here are arranged according to their place value. Okay. So let us multiply. 5 6 are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. So for 30, I will write 0 here and 3 I will carry over. Okay. Now 1 6s are 6. To that 6, I'll add this 3. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will write here 9. So when I multiply 15 multiply by 6, I get my answer 90. Next. 26 multiply by 2. What is my question, children? 26 multiply by 2. Now here the numbers are arranged according to their place value. Okay, so let us start multiplying. 6 2s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So I will not here write full 12 number in one box. What I will do, this is multiplication by carrying over. What I will do, I will write 2 here and 1 I will carry over in tens place. Now I will multiply this 2 with the tens place 2 which I have written. I will multiply with the units place 2. So 2 2s will be 4. To that 4 I will add this 1. So 4 plus 1 will be how much, children? 5. So when I multiply 26 multiply by 2, I get my answer 52. 26 2s are 52. Next. 17 multiply by 5. What is our question? 17 multiply by 5. Let us multiply 17 by 5. 7 5s are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Now we will write 5 here and 3 we will carry over in tens place. 1 5s are 5. To that 5 I will add this 3. So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is my answer? 85. That means 17 5s is 85. When I multiply 17 into 5, I get my answer 85. Next, 14 multiply by 4. What is my question, children? 14 multiply by 4. Let us multiply. 4 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So for 16 I will write 6 here and 1 I will carry over. Now 1 4s are 1 4s is 4. To that 4 I will add this 1. So 4 plus 1 will become 5. So when I multiply 14 into 4 I get my answer 56. That means 14 4s is 56. Next. 19 multiply by 3. What is our question? 19 multiply by 3. The numbers are arranged according to their place value. Let us start with units place. Okay. So first we will multiply 9 3s are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So for 27 I will write 7 here and 2 I will carry in tens place. Now 1 3s are 3 and I will add this 2 to that 3. So 3 plus 2 4 5. So I will write here 5. So I get my answer 57. When I multiply 19 into 3, I get my answer 57. That means 19 3s is 57. Now multiply 24 multiply by 4. What is our question? 24 multiply by 4. Let us start multiplying. The numbers are arranged according to their place value, that is tens and units. Let us start multiplying. 4 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So for 16 I will write 6 here and 1 I will carry over. Now 2 4s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. To that 8 I will add this 1. So 8 plus 1 will become 9. So when I multiply 24 into 4, I get my answer 96. That means 24 fours are 96. Okay. Next, multiply 28 into 2. What is our question? 28 multiplied by 2. Let us start multiplying. The numbers are arranged according to tens and units. Let us multiply. 8 twos are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. For 16 I will write 6 here and 1 I will carry over in tens place. 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. To that 4 I will add this 1 which I have carried over in tens place. So 4 plus 1 will become 5. So when I multiply 28 into 2, I get my answer 56. That means 28 twos is 56. Next, 39 multiplied by 2. What is our question? 39 multiplied by 2. Let us start multiplying. 9 twos are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So I will write 8 and 1 I will carry over. 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. To that 6 I will add this 1. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. That means when I multiply 39 into 2, I get my answer 78. Okay. So 39 twos is 78. So with this, children, I finish my today's session of multiplying by multiplication by carrying over. Now children, what is your work to do today? What you will do? I hope you are writing all the class work, children, in your book. I am going to check in the doubt clearing session. When we meet on the doubt clearing session, I will definitely check your books whether you have done or not. Okay? So, be prepared with your classwork. Whatever homework, whatever classwork teacher is giving to write you, so write it in your maths classwork with the proper date. I am going to check with the date whether you have written it properly or not. So, the first thing you are going to take a fresh page. Once you see the video, children, once you are finished with seeing this video, then immediately you start writing. That time only. Don't wait to do it in the next day or day after tomorrow or I will write it afterwards. No. Once you have finished seeing the maths video, take your maths classwork and start writing with the notes. Okay. Because I am not going to send you any maths notes, children. These are only your maths classwork which I am telling you to write in the classwork. That is only your maths notes. I am not going to send separately any notes for you. Okay. So now children, what you are going to do? You are going to take a fresh page. You are going to write chapter 12 multiplication. Okay. Don't continue. If still you are having place below left, then also don't continue there. Take a fresh page. Write today's date and write chapter 12 multiplication. Then after writing the heading on the top, then come to the down line and write multiplication by carrying over. Don't write TOPIC topic, only write multiplication by carrying over. Now finish here till writing. Then write the first question, 18 multiplied by 4. Make a row, make a column, arrange the numbers according to the place value, tens and unit, and then start your sum. Okay? Start your sum writing. You will start with the first question. Your first question will be 18 multiplied by 4 and it will end in the last question. I will show you where. This all question, children, you have to write. Okay, don't skip any question. All questions, and this is very easy, so no need to copy the answer from the slide. Okay, do it by yourself. Try. If you're confused, you're not understanding any sum, if you don't know how to do, then you can see the video again one more time, 2 times, and then you can correct your answer. But first, don't copy. Try to write it by yourself. So your last question will be 39 multiplied by 2. Till there, I want your question to be there. Okay, children, I am going to check it on Friday when we will have a doubt clearing session. I am going to check your maths classwork. So write this last question, 39 multiplied by 2. Okay. So till here, finish your classwork. So till then, bye. Keep learning, keep practicing. I will see you in the next session with a new topic. Okay. And with honesty you are going to copy all the questions. Okay children, bye, take care.